Welcome to the Copilot Prompt-a-Thon, a hands-on workshop designed for your team to experiment with Microsoft 365 Copilot. Here, you'll hack real business processes and leave with the confidence and use cases needed to lead AI adoption. The Prompt-a-Thon is a high-energy, guided Microsoft 365 Copilot workshop that transforms curiosity into capability in just one session. Teams discover valuable Copilot use cases, automating tasks, and improving everyday processes rooted in real work. The engaging format builds enthusiasm and embeds AI skills seamlessly into the workflow. Through collaboration, the best ideas emerge, culminating in the big prompt reveal, where top submissions are recognized. Hands-on practice ensures fast, lasting skill building, moving everyone from curiosity to capability. Expect an interactive, expert-guided workshop focused on building effective prompting skills, fostering peer learning, and uncovering impactful Copilot use cases. Collaboration and hands-on practice boost confidence and help participants discover innovative ways to use Microsoft 365 Copilot. Attendees walk away with masterclass-level prompting skills, confidence using Copilot, a custom book of prompts tailored to their business, and real use cases mapped to daily work. The session lasts 4 to 5 hours, can be virtual or on-site, and covers 4 modules: Masterclass, Walkthrough, Hack, and Big Prompt Reveal. All roles are welcome: frontline workers, knowledge workers, and executives alike. The Prompt-a-Thon agenda is a guided journey from prompting fundamentals to team-built solutions and recognition. It begins with a 15-minute introduction covering goals, data safety, and success metrics, followed by a 45-minute masterclass on the art of prompting. After a short break, you'll dive into a 45-minute walkthrough of Microsoft 365 Copilot applied to organizational scenarios. The Hack module includes a 15-minute structure overview and a 45-minute team activity to map and test prompts. The session concludes with 30 minutes of presentations, voting, and recognition, including wrap-up, prizes, and feedback. A global maritime shipping organization partnered with Change Champions Consulting for a Prompt-a-Thon, moving from low experimentation to confident, value-driven Copilot usage. Before the workshop, most participants rarely used Copilot and lacked confidence. After Change Champions delivered an interactive session centered on live experimentation and real-world use cases, high-frequency Copilot users tripled and daily time savings increased by 275%. Nearly all participants felt prepared to use Copilot, and perceived value shifted to very and extremely valuable. Most participants committed to encouraging their teams, creating internal adoption champions. Ready to host your own Prompt-a-Thon? Contact Change Champions Consulting at info@changechampionsconsulting.com or visit changechampionsconsulting.com to get started.